Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good day to all of you. So we meet again in English C1 with me, Teacher Amy. What will we learn today? So today we are going to focus on my favorite. Okay, we are going to use the recycle, toy, vocab, and adjective. Okay, so the learning objective of today, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to listen and write at least 2 sentences about your favorite things. So let's take a look at activity number 1 in your textbook, page 29. Okay, listen and write the names. I'm going to play the audio, so you have to listen and write the names. Okay, let's go.
Student's Book, page 29. 1. Listen and write the names.
My favourite toy is Beep. Beep's a big red car. Beep's friend is a blue car. The blue car is Star.
My favourite toy is Nessie. Nessie's a red and pink monster. Nessie's friend is Dino. Dino's green and yellow. And Dino's small and ugly.
Okay, for activity 2, we will practice and asking favorite things and answer favorite things. Okay, what's your favorite toy? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite number? And we will practice answering the question. For example, my favorite toys is, my favorite color is, my favorite number is. So now let's take a look at the example.
Hi, what's your favourite colour?
Hi, my favourite colour's yellow.
Hi, what's your favorite toy?
Hi, my favourite toy is a kite. What's your favourite number?
My favourite number's 9.
For activity 3, you have to draw a picture of your favourite toy. Then, write about your toy.
Hi, this is my favourite toy. My favourite toy is a white plane. My favourite thing. My favourite toy is my teddy bear.
Okay, that's all for today. We have looked at 3 activities: writing, speaking, and answering about favorite things. So I hope you can practice at home and complete your worksheet. Okay, that's all for today. Till we meet again. Bye.